Hello everyone, Andarki good morning and happy Sankranti, belated. And Nag sir, thanks for giving us Bangaraju blockbuster for this Sankranti. And Amla ma'am and Chetan Anand sir, thanks for gracing this event. This is going to be beautiful because of your presence here. Where do I start? Loser season 1, when it came to me, Ruby Shabana character వచ్చినప్పుడు, I was a little skeptical because it had a lot of layers that I had to portray kani, lepte unleash kani. But because of the, I think, research kani, analysis kani, Abhilash and the writers team has done so much of analysis. Dan valla, it took some time, but I was confident that I could pull it off. And response kuda chala chala, what do I say? It was very close to heart because a lot of them have been messaging personally that being an athlete, we could correlate so much in our life. Being a sports person is not at all easy. And going through the struggles along with the family, Kani, playing the sport, giving the discipline, giving the dedication is not easy. As an actor, when you're getting to portray a sports person, it's a bonus because you go through the emotions as well as you present your acting with that emotions. So I have to give a big congratulations to the team because while chasing research was sports drama ane sarki edo sports chupichama edo project chesama ani kaadu, we all were personally trained ante andarki training air rifle lo kani for Suri character, badminton lo me and Annie were trained and Shashank was trained for cricket. So it was not like just ochama chesama ellama. No, this was a soul satisfying character for I think each and everyone out there. And Abhilash and team gurinchi నేను స్పెసిఫిక్గా కొన్ని విషయాలు చెప్పాలి. He always says that he like flawless acting. అది ఎలా వస్తుందంటే ఒక చిన్న సీక్రెట్ చెప్పేస్తున్నాను అభిలాష్. మాకు షూటింగ్ టైంలో ఒక స్కెడ్యూల్ అయిపోతుంది అండ్ దెన్ వీఆర్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద షూట్ అండ్ దెన్ వాట్ వాళ్ళు ఇంత బాగా చేశారు వీళ్ళంతా బాగా చేశారు అని చెప్పి వచ్చి మోటివేట్ చేస్తారు అభిలాష్. లైక్ వాళ్ళు అంత బాగా చేశారా, ఓకే వీ షుడ్ నాట్ లెట్ హిమ్ డౌన్, వీ షుడ్ ఆల్సో గివ్ ద బెస్ట్ అని చెప్పేసి indirectly it's a motivation for us to give our best, and I think that's the reason every actor did so flawless. And okay, I'm running, but Naresh Garu, our DOP, cinematographer, there's no dull movement that's happening on the screen because of his team. I don't know where Naresh is sitting. Hi Naresh. So amazing DOP work and thanks for being splendid on your visuals. Writing department, Bharadwaj, Shravan is not here. Shravan also co-directed directed along with Abhilash sir today. So he has also done amazing. Repu, Varun Kani, Sudeep Kani, ever direct chesna, I think we'll feel very comfortable because of the నేనేం చెప్పాలి వాళ్ళకున్న ఒక sensibilities, they vibe so much the direction department that ever direct chesna we feel very comfortable with their direction. And the team, the direction team is going to make a lot of noise in Telugu industry or Bollywood industry, నాకు తెలీదు. But wherever you go, make sure you're writing a strong woman characters because season 1 lo tirigi chuste every woman character was, the arc was defined so good. So do write some woman centric stuff because there's a lot of scope in web and OTT. Meeru pedda life hotaru. So yeah, please continue to do some good work for all the women actors out there. It'll be very soul satisfying for all of us. And Spectrum Media, I want to mention Chandra's team, Ravi, Venkat, everyone. I think they have been very patient and took care of all the actors. They made us feel home. So special mention to Spectrum Media for executing this so good. Annapurna Studios, this is my first project with Loser Season 1 and Season 2. I look forward to associate further too. With Z5, I think this is my third project, Ekkadiki Parugu, then Sita on the Road, and then Loser now. And Supriya ma'am, I have to especially thank you because right from the start, the way you have mentored Ruby Shabana's character, and we had to draw a thin line all the time because this character was representing the voice of lot of unspoken women in the society. So it was very important for us to know how to project it and where to project it in the right way. So you had been that amazing mentor for us. Thanks for being that. And we are looking forward to raise the bar. It has already been shown in the trailer. Everything looks so splendid here. And season 3 will have a lot more to offer. Yes, I'm giving a spoiler. We have season 3 here happening. But 21st Jan it is on Z5. Please download, subscribe. And you will not be disappointed even a bit. And thank you and salam alaikum.
మాలికం అస్సలాం. సో కాదు, మీరు ఏదైనా ఒక్క చిన్నదైనా మిస్ అయ్యారా అనుకున్నాను. నాకంటే స్పీడ్‌గా మాట్లాడుతున్నారే. మొత్తం
Speed
కవర్
అయిపోయింది
అయిపోయింది
అంతే.
కంప్లీట్‌గా. టెక్నీషియన్స్ అందరూ, ప్రొడక్షన్ అన్నీ కవర్ అయిపోయాయి. సో ఇప్పుడు ఇంకొకటి కవర్ అవ్వాలి. ఏంటంటే లూజ్ అ మూమెంట్. యాహ్!
పర్టికులర్గా చెప్పాలంటే ఇట్స్ బీన్ డీకేడ్ అండి ఇండస్ట్రీలో. సో ఆఫ్టర్ మై ఫస్ట్ ఫిల్మ్ ప్రయాణం అనేది ఏఎల్టీ సార్తో లాంచ్ అయ్యాక every minute I used to feel where I am lost when it comes to the profession side. So this was a winning moment for me when Loser happened to me. I was losing doing some roles which I was not able to correlate to. I look forward to, make my mark from here on. So this is my winning moment is what I would say. The journey has been a little up and down, but I think it's part of everyone. It's not about, losing or winning. It's about playing the game and not quitting every time. Yeah. Thank
వెల్
you.
సెడ్. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ అండ్ కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్. అండ్ మళ్ళీ విన్నింగ్ మూమెంట్స్ బోలెడన్ని మీ లైఫ్లో రావాలని నేను మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ కల్పిక.